Hi, I'm Alan Aquino, and today I would like to demonstrate to you how to install Ubuntu on a virtual machine. Let's get it on! Okay, first thing first, you should download a virtual machine program. We have Oracle VirtualBox and VMware. For me, I chose VMware Workstation Pro. So let's run this. Uh, Click create a new virtual machine and then click typical. Click next. Click I will install the operating system later. Click next. Click Linux and choose Ubuntu. And then click next. Specify your virtual machine name. So Ubuntu 32-bit. And then click next. Since this is only a 32-bit, I will reduce this to 10 GB only. I think it's enough. Click store virtual disk as a single file. Click next. Customize hardware. Okay, let's review this. 1 GB memory is enough. Processor 1 is enough. Click the new CD DVD and click this use ISO image file. Click browse. Click. So I put a shortcut in my Windows Explorer. Here it is. And then choose Ubuntu i386. That is the 32-bit version. The i386. This one, AMD64.ISO Ubuntu, is a 64-bit version. So I chose the 32-bit. Click open. Click close. Click finish. Then let's wait it to load. There you have it. It finished loading. Let's click power on this virtual machine. Just click this OK. It's a minor notification. Just close this. So there you have it. Ubuntu is now loading. See? Ubuntu. Let's wait this to finish loading. So that's it. Ubuntu is now loading. Yeah. Click English. And then click try Ubuntu. Let's wait. There you have it. So click this icon. Let's install Ubuntu 14.04.3 with LTS. LTS means long-term support. Oh, by the way, we can adjust this resolution. System settings. Then display. Welcome. Yeah, the installation, you may wish to continue. Okay. Preparation to install Ubuntu. Check. Check. Download updates while installing. Check. Install third-party software. Continue. Erase this and install Ubuntu. Okay. Click install now. Continue. So let's choose Manila since we are in the Philippines. Continue. Let's set this as to 1366 by 768. 16:9. Okay. Keep this configuration. There you have it. You see? I adjust the resolution. Keep this configuration. Apply. Close. Okay. Keyboard layout. Let's back to Ubuntu installation. Keyboard layout is English US. English US. Continue. Let's close this. Yes, you can now input your name. Uh, so that's my name, Alan Aquino. Alan Virtual Machine. Okay, okay. Uh, Password. Caps lock is on, so I should turn it off. Uh, Password. You should type it again. Oops. I have inputted a wrong password. So there you have it. It match. Require my password to log in, then encrypt my home folder for security purposes. So continue. Let's just wait. There you have it. Installation is now starting. It's now copying files to my virtual machine that I was created a while ago. So let's just wait for this process to finish. So right now, let me pause this video.